Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Down at the Unit. So, in today's episode, I'm going to be fitting the AFR. I made a random purchase. It's a samurai sword gear knob. It's insane. Probably won't run it for long because I'm not really a fan of how high they come up. Yeah, looks flipping stupid. I love it. Looks so funny. From outside the car, it genuinely looks like you've got a samurai sword. One of the worst things when you run a front mount intercooler on a Starlet, you wash the car and the gap for the standard top mount leaks water and it leaks all onto your engine. Obviously it's not good for your HT leads. You don't want any water anywhere else. Around that is a blanking plate. That's how easy it is to install the blanking plate. It'd probably be best for me to go around behind it and put some sealant on, but that's pretty much it. Keeps your engine bay a bit more dry because it's blocked with the vent. This is what I need to fit today, my AEM Wideband. Look at the box. With the gauge, the full face, obviously the back with the connectors. One front, one bottom. When in doubt, just lose all the bloody stuff. I wonder if this fits in my pillar pod. It looks like it will. I'll put that back on just for a minute. I guess that's the clamp to hold it in. Right, so gauge, that's in the bottom. Wiring. Wow, there's quite a lot of wires actually. I'm guessing that's to the inside of the car, because that goes to the back of the gauge. This will go to the sensor. This will be the sender for the sensor. Well, there's the sensor itself. Looks nice. I wonder what size that is. Let me just double check. Looks like a 22, but I can't find my 22, but I've got an adjustable which I'll just clamp right on. Look at that. Gotta love adjustable spanners. So yeah, that is the set. Everything I need, which is easy. Instruction manual. So to the cables, red, black, blue, white, brown, green, black, white. I need to go to the bottom of the step. 20 on the step by the looks of it. Right, okay, as you can see, I've welded the bung there. Look at that clearance. That is nice. There's room in between there, so I can just feed the cable up past the gearbox mount. That'll be a nice, easy route. Just cable tie it up. Right, what I've done is I've fed it up through here. So you can see it there. That's the connector. I will cable tie it up. What I'll do is I'll feed it through an existing hole that I've got there. Dust in my eye. Yeah, that's what you get for working on Starlets. Dust everywhere. So yeah, I'll get the cable running the interior, and I'll connect it up, I think. Right, that's all the cable I'm going to play with. That should be more than enough. So yeah, what I need to do is take the pillar pod out and then see what I've got wiring wise. I'll probably just tap into one of these two gauges. I'll use the top one because I don't need another boost gauge really, do I? Let's be honest. So yeah, let's take this off.
Just feel my heart inside. Our love can grow so
so I don't know what this. I don't know what this is to read, but I don't think it's meant to be this. 'cause the AFR reads when it's on when it's on closed throttle. Jesus, that's quick. So I bought some cheap 6x9s and some 11 or 12 inch, whatever they are, little speakers. I'll probably lose the surrounds and just run them without. They look a bit max powery, don't they? Might go with the Samurai gear knob. You never know, do you? Okay. That seems to be a nice place for them. So I'm going to have to take the Samurai gear knob off just to give me more room. Boom. God, I haven't used this radio for a long time. Right, because I can't find any wiring on the back of the GT. I'm sure there used to be some rear speaker cable, but I can't find anything in the loom. Checked all the plug outs, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bridge the front speakers. It's probably not ideal, but it'll do the job for what I want. I don't want a massively stupid system. If I do, I'm going to wire an amp and a sub if I want to do it that way. But this will just do for what I need it for. So the speaker cable here. So they are both in. Doesn't sound that bad, to be fair. Quite happy with that. Oh Lord Jesus, look at this light show! So I've put my old Boss kit in because it sits closer to the dash, and the other one, it felt like it sat too far out. This Samurai gear knob is staying. It's stupid and it's impractical, but I'm gonna see how it goes. I've never liked big gear knobs before that come up too high. It doesn't feel natural, but it looks cool as hell. If I want, I can just change it from my blue one anyway. So I've done the radios back in, the speakers, 2 6x9s, the panels back on, the horn works, all the gauges are in. What else? I've done the blanking plate as well. Gonna leave this episode there. So until next episode, guys, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe if you're a new visitor, and check out all the other videos, whatnot. And I'll see you in the next episode. So take it easy, guys. See you later.